So let's get started our main conversation with another new invited guest who is very special for me and who is going to make an introduction. I believe or I am very convinced that this conversation is going to be much more interesting.
This is me. My name is Hassan Banna. I'm from Boston, the USA, and I am a student here. I'm doing master's degree in Boston University, and I live here with my friends in mess. So thanks, thanks for invite me to here.
Okay. So let's get started the another questions. The questions is that when was the last time you visited a place and what was the most interesting thing?
Last time I visit in Kishoreganj, Mitamoy. The last time I had remember the place was so much beautiful in rainy season,
Okay.
and that was a that was a amazing tour in my life.
Okay. So who was your partner when you visited Kishorganj?
The last time I visited Isharganj, my tour partner was my friends and my cousin. I I visit there with them.
Okay. So do you think that the journey was very interesting?
Yeah, the journey was very much interesting. Like we rent a bus. We rent a bus about 40 seat, and we gone there about uh, 15 people, and it was just so nice and lovely trip uh, in my life.
Okay. So this is the last questions for you. What's your next destination? Where do you want to go for your traveling exploration?
My next uh, destination for travel, that is after complete my master's degree, I will go to Nepal.
Okay. So wishing you the best to get implement your dream. So thank you so much for joining with me. I'm very satisfied with your speaking.
Yeah, you're most welcome, and thanks for invite me that could join here.